for urgent help and breakthrough.
Àwọn lóní dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́ ewé. La ilaha illallah, Alawalu, Alakiru, Asohiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. À ń bẹ ọ́.
For urgent help and breakthrough. These two methods, this combination is very perfect when it comes to breakthrough or you need urgent help. Most especially if you are doing something like maybe you need favor from someone, you need help from a group of people, and you need urgent help. If you apply this simple assignment, anyone that promise you or anyone that is planning to do something for you, by the grace of Almighty God, they are going to fulfill the promise. Are you with me? The only material you need is rainwater. But if you can't find rainwater over there, you can use river water. You cannot use ordinary water for this assignment. And you can't use bowl water. You can't use well water. Either running water or rainwater. Those are the two materials you need for this assignment. And if you follow this simple assignment, believe me, you will surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Winje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find any of my videos very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on the 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to discuss how to use either rainwater or river water if you need urgent help or you need breakthrough. And whenever someone promise or maybe you need help from someone, I would advise you to apply this method at least for 3 days. That person is going to help you by the grace of Almighty God. It's not going to fail the promise He made to you. He or she will never disappoint you. You understand? So if you want to do this assignment, I would advise you to use it in the morning. Do not use it in the night. Use it in the morning. You understand? Even if you are going for interview, or you are searching for a job, you can also apply this simple assignments. Believe me, you come here and share me your good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. So you need rainwater. You need one that you can use to wash every part of your body. You are going to add honey, original honey. And if you can't find original honey in your area, you can use cube sugar. Cube sugar. We call it St. Louis sugar. It's not, if you can't find St. Louis sugar, you can use any form of cube sugar. You understand? So if you want to use cube sugar, you can add 4 pieces of that sugar to your bath water. But if you can find original honey, not all this sugarcane honey, organic honey, if you can find it over there, you are going to drop at least 4 spoons of original honey to that bathing water. You understand? Mix it very well. Say your intention. That so person that promised to do so thing for me, that the person should not break his or her promise. Or if you need urgent help, anything that you need, say it. You understand? You need help from someone and refuse to help you, say your intention. And if you add sugar, do not force the sugar, you understand, to dissolve in the water. Allow it to dissolve by itself. You understand? You can put the sugar in that water at least for maybe 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it to your bedroom. See whatever thing you want before you take it to your bedroom, and use it to wash every part of your body. I think you understand. It's very simple and very, very effective. And if you want it to work perfectly, I will advise you to use it at least for 3 days continuously without skipping a day. You understand? By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. That is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you really love this video, help me to like this video. And as you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you for watching. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí ìwé ń jẹ́. Lórí ètò yìí, gbogbo wa ni ẹ mọ nǹkan tí a gbé dání tá a mọ̀ sí. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí ìwé àtìgbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àtúmọ̀ àlá àti mọ nọ́mbà lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan. Èyí tá a máa fún wa ní òní, ó ní àkọlé ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ iṣẹ́ àánú, tàbí tí èèyàn bá ń fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́ kan lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kan, tàbí a nídìí nǹkan kan lọ́dọ̀ ẹnìkan, tàbí èèyàn kan promise wa pé òun máa ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún wa, tí ó wá jẹ́ pé àwọn ò pé ó lè má mú àdéhùn yẹn ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú nǹkan kékeré yìí, ó kéré gan, wàláhì Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ fi àlùbáríkà sí. Kí ni nǹkan tá a fẹ́ wá? Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá omi odò tó ń sàn. Tá a bá wá rómi odò, ẹ jẹ́ ká lo omi òjò. Tá a bá ti wá rí omi yìí, a kì í lo omi kànga tàbí omi bọ́ọ̀, omi odò tó ń sàn tàbí omi òjò. A lè gba omi yìí síbì kan tó máa tó wá lò fún bí ọjọ́ 3. Tá a bá ti fẹ́ wẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká lò ní àárọ̀ ká tó jáde. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a bu oyin gidi síbí 4 sínú omi yẹn. Ká wá ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àdúrà sí, ká gbé wọ bedroom ká lọ fi sanra. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ṣúgà ò ní a lò, ṣúgà ò ní kóró, ẹ jẹ́ ká ju bí 4 sínú omi yẹn. Ká wá filẹ̀ fún bí 10 minutes kó yòrò fúnra ẹ̀. Má jẹ́ ká fọwọ́ rún fúnra wa, kó yòrò fúnra ẹ̀. Bá ti wá yòrò, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣàdúrà sí, ká wá gbé wọ bedroom. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi wẹ gbogbo ara wa, ká fi sanra ni. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká síbẹ̀ fọjọ́ 3. Tá bá wá ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, tá bá lo nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀, má jẹ́ ká máa fi aṣọ nu ara. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi aṣọ nu ara. Ká wá lò bẹ́ẹ̀ fún bí 3 days láì yẹ ọjọ́ kankan sílẹ̀. Pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run, tí a bá lò gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ṣàlàyé yẹn a máa rí àánú gbà ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù báyìí lọ náà ní òní. Èmi náà lọmọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí Wẹ́ńjẹ́. Ẹni tó bá dìgbà míì á tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tuntun yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá. Ẹ má wá gbàgbé láti
lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. ewé ajẹ́. àwọn lèmi bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.